All right, I figured I would review this, do a quick little 1 minute kind of overview. So 67 to 69 Camaros. Anybody that's worked on one knows that that back shackle is awfully close to the taillight panel. So your bracket looks like this. The older ones have a full circle in them. I stopped doing that because this just fits easier, and you can't weld all of it anyways, so there's not any reason. So I'm gonna try to put this write this F on these brackets before I ship them, but there's no guarantee that I really will. So I'm just I figured cover it here one time. But you can see the offset. This is moving those bolt holes forward from the shackle pivot center line. That's keeping that back edge away from there. In the slider body itself, so here's an offset one. These corners are chopped specifically for the 67 to 69 Camaro, just for that very reason. So if you find yourself having to trim some more, it kind of is what it is. That taillight panel is just really, really close. So yeah, there you go. There's your offset base. Here's your centered base. You can interchange. So once these brackets are in place on the chassis, this bolt pattern that's in this body is interchangeable with the offset body. So you can see that the offset actually happens in the slider itself. It does not happen with the bracketry. So yeah, you can change the car over later on if you so desired. So there you go. Figured I would cover that little piece of information.